Corina, si Maria nagsabi sabi niya, can you tell Corina to sing?
Happy birthday!
Kahit happy birthday lang, okay lang.
Nasaan siya? Ano ba? She sings?
Come on, Corina. The microphone is all yours. And the special request is the song called Kahit Mabuti na
Wow!
Korean, it's okay. I was like that also when I was younger. I did look like I didn't want to sing, pero actually gusto ko talaga kumanta. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Corina Sanchez-Rojas.
Say no to an introduction from Gary Valenciano himself.
And how could I say no when Maria herself said, sabihin mo kay Corina, hawakan mo siya parang pwede siyang mabanda.
Ida Ring! Face to face! Okay.
Wait, palakpakan natin! Corina Sanchez.
Okay, since tayo na lang ngayon. Pagbibigyan ko kayo. Wala na namang ibang tao, di ba?
Yes!
Kaya lang na lahat na medyo nalalasap na.
Naka-live lang? Naka-live lang!
At makakalikot ang linig nyo, ang nangyari na yung gabi bukas.
Walang magpo-post.
O walang magpo-post. Ihahabla ko kayo kapag nag-post kayo.
Streaming na ako eh.
Hindi ko matandaan ang lyrics, so bahala na kayo sa dementia.
I love you, Corina.
So I don't know what. Ako